Our advertising course at USW is very eclectic. We take students from a very broad range of subjects, from creative, business, strategy, and media.
So the reason why I chose advertising is because I'm always into social media content and all things creative. I'm always into conceptualizing ideas. I also love to meet new people and working with them.
We've worked with Lego, Clarins Skincare, Asahi Beer, Amazon, Nike, Google, Chanel, so lots of big heavyweight brands.
I chose to study this course because of their hands-on learning, and I got to work with some amazing clients. I never ever thought that I could ever work with Lego until I came to the University of South Wales.
So the reason why I chose University of South Wales is because I did some background research. I found out that they work with multiple agencies, and they also had this 100% hands-on live briefs kind of structure where you don't need to attend to any exams.
The course year is very practical, it's very hands-on. We do lots of workshops, we do presentations, we do creative assignments, we do written assignments. We teach the students all aspects of advertising and marketing.
So it's great that we have lecturers like Lee, for example, who give us time. We have one-to-ones, so he knows where we are, what level we are with our course.
My lecturers, all my course mates, they have been amazing to work with, meeting so many different people.
So the USW team is actually very supportive. When I need any help from them, they will just respond immediately, and it's very comforting to know that there's someone always standing behind you, helping you, because you are living in a new and foreign country.
It was very nice to have such a diverse class because everyone was given the opportunity to showcase their different styles of art, their culture, which prepares us for the industry.
Industry partnerships are the very DNA of the course. So first years we get a lot of guest speakers, we do agency visits, and then we take it up another level in year 2 and year 3. We do a lot of live projects, and then our students are benefiting for that hands-on real-world experience working on live briefs. The students develop a lot of soft skills too, so presenting to clients, communicating, working in pairs, working in groups.
The partnership with USW is great for both Cowshed and the students. I think for students it's really useful for them to see how they can apply the theory that they're learning in the lecture theatre in the classroom. What's great is the full spectrum of the different roles that they get exposure to, so from the creative team to the campaign management team, working with lots of different people to understand how it all fits together at the agency.
My time in placement was definitely a learning curve since I was the project leader. So I got to lead a team of creatives. So working with tremendous individuals with amazing talents, from designers to planners to strategists. It was fantastic.
On our course, we have certain key modules which really benchmark advertising and marketing. One example in the first year would be creative process, where our students get to break down a brief, research, develop ideas. Second year, we do a module called the industry, where they do live projects for big international brands. And then the third year, there's a lot of flexibility where the students build their portfolio, they build their book for graduation.
I love my final major project because I get to really explore my creativity. The course had given me this opportunity, like a blank sheet of paper where I get to just throw my ideas in. Because of that, I get to work with a local skincare brand back in Malaysia and industry partners here in Cardiff.
Cardiff is an amazing city in which to study. We are right in the heart of the city. We have a modern digital campus.
I think Cardiff as a study location, it is brilliant. It is so accessible to everything. My campus is behind town, so whenever I'm hungry, I can just walk to town, grab food, go back to the library, study.
It's a very welcoming and friendly culture environment over here. There's a lot of international artists coming here to perform, and I love that. It's budget friendly as well. The living cost over here is not as high as I expected it would be.
It's a very international city. It's got great transport links to London, to Bristol, it's even got airports nearby. It's the perfect study city.
Once our students graduate from our advertising course at USW, the roles they go into are very broad. So we have students who go into the creative side of it, content creation, graphic design, film, social media production. But then we also have students on the client side, the business side. We have graduates working in New York, Amsterdam, Southeast Asia. Advertising is a global business, and our course reflects that.
This chapter of my life is definitely something that I will cherish now and even in the future, every day of my life. And I'm just really grateful that I'm able to do this.